Scotland is one of the four parts of the United Kingdom, occupying the northern one-third of the land of Great Britain. It is bordered by England to the southeast and surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the north and west, the North Sea to the northeast and east, and the Irish Sea to the south. Scotland is the land of castles, lochs and mountains. With its majestic Scottish highlands, breathtaking natural attractions like Loch Lomond and Loch Ness, craggy coastlines, misty mountains and moorlands, iconic castles, and countless great cultural experiences, Scotland is one of the prettiest additions to any traveler's bucket list. So come join us. This is Scenic Hunter's breathtaking adventurous journey to find the 12 best places to visit in Scotland. Number 12. Orkney Island. The Orkney Islands are an island off the coast of Scotland that consists of 70 islands, 20 of which are inhabited. Residents of Orkney, which was originally a part of Norway, predate the Romans by several thousand years. It has some of the oldest and best preserved Neolithic sites in all of Europe. A must-see is the ancient Ring of Brodgar, a circle of stone formations being used in rituals. Along with a variety of indigenous artwork at galleries and museums, the islands are a great sight to see seals and puffins. The largest town and the capital on the islands is Kirkwall. Number 11. Isle of Arran. For good reason, the picturesque Isle of Arran is known as Scotland in miniature. In a mere 166 square miles, this picture-perfect island off the country's west coast replicates the landscape of the whole country. Rolling moors, craggy mountains, sandy beaches, fishing harbors, castles, and golf courses can all be found here. They are all within an area that can be easily explored in a day or two and are all less than an hour by boat from Glasgow. The best part is that there is no need for a car, because buses often connect the island's main attractions. Even while you can see the region's landmarks, such as Brodick Castle and Goatfell Mountain, in a single day, you could easily spend a few days exploring this tiny slice of Scotland. And you should, really, truly. Number 10. Cairngorms. One of Scotland's two national parks, Cairngorms National Park lies in the country's northeast region. The park is full of mountain wilderness and home to 5 out of 6 of the highest peaks in Scotland. The park also boasts some of the most beautiful lochs, rivers, charming villages, native forests, farmlands, distilleries and moorland, as well as being a stronghold for Scotland's unique wildlife including pine marten, reindeer, wildcat, deer, golden eagle and badger. Actually, there is no shortage of things to do and explore in the mighty Cairngorms National Park. You can find places which range from ancient fortresses, wildlife and distilleries to some of the best attractions and museums, with miles and miles of trails that spread all over the region. Number 9. Luscantyre Beach. The shallow blue and turquoise seas that lap Luscantyre Beach are so brilliant on clear, bright days that you might mistakenly believe you are on a beach in Greece. Scotland's best beaches may be found at Luscantyre, one of the country's top outdoor attractions. Although this magnificent location is set well off the tourist trail, it is a dream to find and explore. This is not the kind of location where you can swim leisurely. Cool Atlantic Ocean waters make Lochs best suited for paddling. However, the vast area of powder-fine sand, the magnificent mountain backdrop, and the exhilarating sensation of remoteness provide some very remarkable hiking choices. Along with the wonderful walking opportunities provided by the beach itself, visitors should also take the 2.5-mile circular track winding through the dunes. For avid cyclists, a single-track road connecting Harris's main highway with the beach can be followed. Leisure facilities are non-existent in Lochs Beach. Visit places like Northern if you want to find stores, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Also keep in mind that the Isle of Harris is world famous for its Harris tweed. The woolen clothing, which is hand-woven by islanders, makes a distinctive souvenir. Number 8. Eilean Donnan Castle. The amazing Eilean Donnan is located in the Western Highland of Scotland. This stunning majestic castle is situated on a small tidal island connected with the mainland via a footbridge. Strategically located on this own little island, overlooking the stunning Isle of Skye, at the unbelievable point where three great sea lochs meet, and are surrounded by the majestic splendor of the lush forested mountains of Kintail, Eilean Donnan's location is truly breathtaking. It was built in the 13th century and became a stronghold of the Clan Mackenzie. It was destroyed in 1719 and reconstructed in the 20th century by Lieutenant Colonel John MacCraigillstrap. This picturesque island recorded 0 populations in past years. Undoubtedly, it is a Scottish icon, and certainly one of the most famous visitor attractions in the Highlands. Number 7. Glasgow. Glasgow, a city on Scotland's west coast on the River Clyde, has recently reinvented itself as a significant European cultural hub. Nowadays, its numerous top-notch museums, art galleries, and festivals draw visitors all year long. Thanks to its many attractive parks and pedestrian-friendly streets, it's a great city to explore on foot, especially if you also visit Glasgow Cathedral and the renowned Glasgow School of Art. After exploring the city centre, go to the Riverside Museum and the riverfront. This outstanding modern facility, one of the best free things to do in Glasgow, concentrates on the history of transportation in the city through its sizable collections of old steam engines, trams, buses, carriages, cars, and seagoing boats. There is also a replica of a home and shop from the 1930s. It's a great destination where you may lose yourself in companionship, charm, and music. On average, 130 musical events are held in the city each week. A shopping paradise with more than 1,500 stores to tempt your wallet, historical medieval structures like the Glasgow Cathedral and the Old Antonine Wall, and various sporting events are all present. For beautiful vistas, stroll the hillsides above the city. Number 6. Stirling. The historic town of Stirling is one of the perfect places to explore medieval Scottish characteristics in Scotland. It is situated almost halfway between Glasgow and Edinburgh. The beautifully preserved Old Town is a treasure trove of majestic historic buildings and cobbled stones winding streets. At the heart of its Old Town, the magnificent Stirling Castle proudly stands on a craggy volcanic rock. The city offers a great day trip and boasts plenty of rewarding things to see and do. You will find plenty of cozy cafes, buzzing restaurants, and friendly pubs as well. Number 5, Glencoe. Glencoe is a stunning valley which offers spectacular sceneries of Scottish highlands. It has a volcanic origin. It lies in the north of the county of Argyll, close to the border with the province of Loch. Glencoe is considered the home of Scottish mountaineers, climbers and hill walkers. Other than that, plenty of outdoor options are available for you, including mountain biking, kayaking, and skiing. It was designated as both a National Scenic Area and a National Nature Reserve. This wonderful natural setting is perfect for photographers and is considered one of the favorite photographic spots in the country. There is a small scenic village known as Glencoe, located between the mouth of a famous glen and the banks of Loch Leven. Around this small village, you will find museums and historical attractions. Number 4, Loch Lomond. Loch Lomond is a part of the Loch Lomond, the Trossachs National Park, and located in the heart of the national park, at a scenic place in southern Scotland. The Trossachs National Park is the fourth largest national park in Britain. The mesmerizing loch is surrounded by rolling hills, countryside, and charming small villages. Countless adventures options including hiking, biking, climbing, canoeing, camping, boating, fishing and kayaking to draw a large number of outdoor enthusiasts from all over the world. You can enjoy a spectacular view of sunset and sunrise and explore plenty of wildlife viewing spots along the way. As well as you can experience the breathtakingly beautiful stargazing in one of the remotest corners of the national park. Number 3, Edinburgh. The most attractive Scotland capital, Edinburgh is located on the southern shore of the Firth of Forth. The city was recognised as the capital of Scotland since the 15th century. The famous country's capital is home to well-preserved architecture from a number of different periods of history, from medieval times to the more recent New Town area. Much of the city was built in the 18th century. You can visit majestic Edinburgh Castle, Scottish crown jewels in the Royal Palace, Palace of Holyrood House, fine architecture of Old Town's Royal Mile, famous Stone of Destiny, boutique shops, Princess Street, art galleries, cafes, and restaurants while experiencing year-round festive fun and strolling through beautiful cobbled streets. Number 2, Loch Ness. Loch Ness is a majestic freshwater loch located in the scenic Scottish Highlands. It is spreading for about 37 kilometers on the southwestern side of Inverness. Loch Ness got its name from the River Ness. It is considered the second largest Scottish loch by surface area, and the most voluminous lake in the United Kingdom due to its great depth. Loch Ness is a perfect travel destination, with its gorgeous portion of Scottish highlands, nearby castles, excellent adventure spots, rushing waterfalls, and lighthouses dotted with landscapes and plenty of hidden gems. Number 1. Isle of Skye. With its infinite green landscapes, majestic castles, magnificent views, and tons of natural spots, the Isle of Skye is a paradise for travelers, photographers, and nature lovers. Due to its untouched lush valleys and sky-high mountains, this wonderland is a hiker's heaven. It is a part of the Hebrides in the northwest section of the Scottish Highlands. This large island is about 80 kilometers in length and is considered one of the nature lovers' paradises in the world, home to large colonies of seabirds, seals, and other native wildlife, along with mile after mile of spectacular hill views and rugged coastline. The bustling port, picturesque rainbow houses, and the scenic harbor of the Portree, the abundance of rock pinnacles, captivating plateaus, small trees, lakes, and cliffs of Cooraying, spectacular views of the Old Man of Storr, stunning sedimentary patterns and cascading waterfall of the Kilt Rock, and glamorous fairy pools that cascade at the foot of the Black Quilin mountain range will literally take your breath away. We do hope you enjoyed our journey to the beautiful Scotland. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Visit scenichunter.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to the Scenic Hunter for another exciting adventurous journey. Until then, it's goodbye from us.